How to add Arabic text in CapCut. So let's get started. So if you also want to add a Arabic text in CapCut, so first thing, just open up your CapCut and select any of the videos where you want to add a Arabic text. So for now, I'll simply select this video over here. So it's a little bit too short, so I'll simply copy it once again. So as you can see, I've just enlarged the video. Now just tap on this text button over here and simply click on add text. And once inside here, now just head back to your Google Chrome browser and simply search in for English to Arabic. Now simply type in anything on your English text button over here. So let's say I want to type hello world, and you can see it has automatically been converted to Arabic text. Now simply copy the text which has been written in Arabic, and simply head back to CapCut. So let me just quickly head back to my CapCut and simply paste the text which you just copied from over here, and readjust the position accordingly wherever you want. And you can also actually change the font size or font style just like this, and you can also change the font color effects as well as add the animations onto that. So make sure it's free because there are some of the paid versions as well. So once you are finally satisfied, simply readjust and click on done, and you can also put or trim the text just like this to make sure it's attached to the full video just like that. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.